Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very cool unboxing for you guys. It is something that is completely unexpected and typically not my cup of tea, but I was feeling a little jovial, I guess you could say, when I picked this up. So I actually have two items to show you guys today. One is from Coach Outlet and one is from Coach Retail. We're gonna start with the Coach Outlet item first, and it's not wrapped or anything, so it's gonna be easy to pull out. I wanna do this pretty quick because I'm working on a few things for my channel, and this is kind of like a little bit of an unplanned purchase. So I hope you guys are as excited as I am. So guys, the first one, like I said, is gonna be a Coach Outlet piece, and wait until you see this. Here she is. Or you know what? I should say here he is, because this is a Coach X Peanuts collaboration, and I never really was into these types of collabs. Sorry guys, I had to fix the lighting. Like I was saying, I was never really into these types of collabs where they have some sort of character involved with collaborating with the brand, because I feel like it's not really, what's the right word? Timeless, I guess. It's not really timeless. And I tend to like things that are going to last a long time in my collection. When I choose a bag, I take a while to decide on the bag, making sure that I'll wear the bag and everything. So I really was surprised when I decided to take this home with me. This is actually called the Sullivan bag. It's in the men's section at the Coach Outlet. And the only reason why I found this is because I was shopping for a gift for my husband. And I saw this hanging on one of the displays. And I was just like drawn to the whole, I don't know if it's like the symmetry of the Snoopy characters and the contrast, but it really was so cute. I couldn't help but pick it up. And then when I put it on with my outfit, I was like, wow, this is so, it just went. It was so cute, you know, and I couldn't deny it. I'll insert a picture of my me trying it on. I just love how this thing is super robust. I'm sure you can even tell through the camera. Look at this leather and like the way this is constructed. In my opinion, this is completely unisex. Just because it's in the men's line doesn't mean that only men can carry it, as we know. So let's get into the bag. From what I can tell, I think they all have these strips that are recurring, but I think each bag has a different order of these strips. When I look at the other bags, they didn't all have the sunglasses Snoopy in the best position, in my opinion. Like this has two of them. This one happens to be at the top row, whereas the other bags, it had only one and it was at the bottom row, or this was the right pattern for me. Some people may think it's a bit weird, but I call it just being particular, which a lot of us tend to be in the handbag community. So I am going to just go ahead and put that out there. But yeah, so guys, the bag is beautiful. I will say this bag came in at $164. Typically the price for the Sullivan bags are, I think, $129. You do pay a little premium for the Peanuts collab, but I don't think it's too much. So I just think it's so cool, and it's definitely worth the price point. So guys, it comes with this amazing strap, like this web and leather strap that's adjustable, as you can see. Just kind of adjust it this way through the buckle. It does have this little key ring to put a charm on, or like AirPod holder or whatever you want. So it comes with a front flap, but I don't really want to stretch this pocket out too much, so I'm probably not going to put anything in there, but it's there if you want it. It has a very generous leather tab, smooth zipper, and like a gunmetal. Oh yeah, let me not forget, it comes with a beautiful hang tag that says Coach X Peanuts, and this is a pretty sturdy hang tag. On the back it says 2025 Peanuts Worldwide. That's really nice. I love that. So inside we can take out the stuffing, and that's what it looks like on the inside. It's a fabric interior. So it does have the tag here. Oh yeah, so here it is. The Sullivan Snoopy. I guess the original value is $328, but I got it for $164. 10 multi. And then it's CBK48. So yeah, guys, I'm probably going to keep that in the bag. Definitely have to take the sensor out. That's pretty much it. It has a large, very, very deep slip pocket here, and then a central compartment. So that's pretty nice. I just love how this looked, though. It was just so different. And I love it even more because it came from the men's section. I know a lot of people won't think about shopping in the men's section, but it's definitely worth a look. You should definitely peruse the men's section and see if there's anything that piques your interest, because they have a lot of cool stuff. I just wanted to get this video out while they still had like the Coach Peanuts collection available to purchase, because I would have never even thought of checking this out on the website. You know, nobody really talks about this style, but interestingly enough, when I was trying this on, the woman SA in the store did mention that this Sullivan style is pretty popular amongst the guys. They pick it up in the typical like signature canvas or the black or whatever it is. And so I was like, wow, that's good to know, because that means that the product, the style is probably functional if a lot of guys are picking it up. I'm really excited to use this. And I do find that it looks better with kind of lighter colors so that you kind of have like that pop of the black and white Snoopy. I really, really like that. It's very, it just adds like a lightness to your outfit, and it's very different. You're not going to see much of this around, I'll tell you that. So it's very cool. I hope you guys check it out. I know there's a lot of Peanuts bags on the women's side of the Coach outlet, but honestly none of those spoke to me. So, and then I saw them in person as well when I was at the store, and again, I didn't feel anything. So okay guys, moving right along, we're going to open the second bag, and this is from Coach Retail. I was so happy that they had one of these wrapped up, because this is actually in the sale. And I didn't know that this was on sale. I didn't even know this existed, I'll be honest. But let's get into the bag, okay, guys? And then we'll talk about it. So, without showing too much, you guys are never going to guess this because I never talk about this bag. You can kind of see a little bit of her to reveal the Brooklyn 23 in the black fringe. Oh my god, guys, how cute is she? This is such a different and unique bag. I can't even. All right, let's get this stuff off of her. Yes, guys, like I was saying, this bag is actually in the Coach retail sale. Okay, guys, give me a second. I'm going to unwrap her and then get back on. Here she is, the Coach Brooklyn 23 in the black fringe with silver hardware. Wow. I don't even know where she came from. Like, I've never seen this, but I guess it's been out for a while because it made it to the sale. But I saw this when I was looking around at the Coach retail store, and I was gonna pass on it. Like, I wasn't even gonna try her on because I said, that's a little too boho for me. But then when I tried her on and I saw like the slouch and the beautiful leather, the fringe, it's like such a vibe. Like, I love this, how different it is. You definitely don't see this every day. I mean, we see fringe, something about the mini silhouette and just the fact that the leather is just so like, look at the way it moves. Like, it's amazing. I could not pass on this bag. Like, being a bag lover, bag enthusiast, like, there's no way. I don't really have any fringe in my collection, and it has just enough interest in just the right size, and I was just like, you know what, I'm taking her home. So I don't know if you guys have ever seen this, or if you guys are aware that the Brooklyn 23 comes with the fringe, but it does, and it's on sale. I think I paid $175 for this. The regular retail price is higher. I don't know what it is, maybe like $229 or something like that, if I remember correctly. But don't quote me. Even the hang tag has fringe on it. Like, this is such a cute tassel. And guys, you will not believe that this comes with a crossbody strap, but guess what? It's braided. Like, this is a braided strap, long strap. I mean, it's just so cool. The details just keep getting more and more interesting. You can't deny it. Like, this is super cool. I mean, it's so cute. I don't know if I would wear it as a crossbody, honestly, because I tried it on in the store as a crossbody, and when you wear it, this top handle, it might dig a little bit into your upper torso. So this is probably going to be more so of like a top handle carry for me. But I love that this is an option. I'm sorry, I didn't show you guys the inside. So the interior is just one compartment, and it has a small slip pocket here, and the closure is magnetic, and it just gives it such a beautiful shape. I do love the movement when it's open, but of course your belongings will be all exposed. There are no feet. It does say genuine full grain leather here. The back, top handle, very nice stitching. Guys, so these are two bags that were definitely not on my radar, and I hope I introduced these styles to at least one person because you should definitely give them a try. So guys, that's it for today. I do have a few videos coming up which I think you guys will enjoy. As soon as I get this video out, I'll be working on the next one, so bear with me. Life is tough with a toddler. Life is tough being a mom, but I will try to get these videos out as soon as I can and when I'm able. So guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Let me know what you think about my two random pickups, and I will see you next time. Bye. You guys, I completely forgot to show you what I actually got for my husband for his birthday because I mentioned it in the video, so I didn't want to leave you with a cliffhanger. So let me show you guys what I got for him. I thought this was super cool. It is basically like a bum bag, crossbody kind of deal. It's really, really substantial. Like the leather is nice, and then we chose the option with the black leather and then the signature print just to have a little contrast. And this one looked better on him than the all black one. So they do have it wrapped in the back, but this has a really substantial silver buckle on here, which is like, I don't know. Well, you guys can't tell, but if you see it online, you'll see that it's a silver buckle and it's really, really heavy, which is really cool. This is kind of like the width of the bag. It's pretty slim profile for what it is. You see the top, it has a back zipper. You know, it's not bulky at all. Like it's so cool and it's pretty long. It's not too big and it's not too small. This was $99 at the outlet in the men's section, and this is called Racer Belt Bag Signature. The code is CT714 and the color is in charcoal and black. All right, guys, so I think that is officially it. And again, I will see you next time. Bye.